5-minute ride, going about 10 miles per hour.
Vincent, do not get in your window.
It's a beautiful, clear morning. When you get to the top, which is like 8,700 feet up there, the view's just spectacular. There's a cafe up there. Eats and drinks.
Oh.
It looks slow, but when you're in it, it's like, yeah.
We're on an aerial trailway, right?
Ariel Tram.
Been in business for 70 years. In fact, the man who created this up here during the war created trains.
Going real high up.
In Colorado, they decided to set up.
Someone's house right there.
So, at 10 miles an hour, that's like a set speed. If it had, not saying I want to, but if it, like say, you wanted to go faster, you could tell speed.
Talk to the operator.
Let's do it.
I'm not going to ask you. Hey, how fast can this thing go? Down a brass
Stick your head in there and ask him.
Oh, someone's passing by. There they go.
The white buildings and the red roofs.
Oh, wow. Oh, it's so big.
That's just
Oh my. We're in Colorado right now and going on an aerial trail.
once you're up top, the beauty of the mountains is just amazing.
About to reach the top.
Oh, this is Here, Vincent.
Does anyone ever drop their phone?
Somebody asked me that yesterday. Not that I know of.
I know, right?
There are little chipmunks, brown squirrels
Oh,
up
wow,
there.
look at these rocks. Look so cool.
Oh, here's the
Like-
big
oh,
rocks
sorry.
coming.
They look like fingers.
We're almost at the top.
I was just so amazed by all
We're
the
so
rock
high
formations
up.
on the mountains. Some of them just look like faces.
It looks really prehistoric.
Yes, it does. And these trees are like doing so well on these rocks.
They don't